Imagine unlocking your phone and finding an app you never installed. No download, no permission, no warning. Yet, it's sitting inside your system. That app is called Android System Key Verifier. This app was silently installed by Google on many phones running Android 10 and above. Officially, Google says it's a security tool. Its job is to help verify the identity of people you talk to on encrypted apps. It stores encryption keys and uses QR code verification to confirm that the person you're chatting with is real, not an imposter. Encrypted apps protect messages so only the sender and receiver can read them. Examples include WhatsApp, Signal, Telegram secret chats, and iMessage. So why are people worried? Because this app was installed without user consent. Because it handles encryption keys, which are critical for privacy. And because Google hasn't been fully transparent about it. Any app with access to encryption keys becomes a privacy risk if compromised. Now let's check if it's on your phone. Open Settings, go to Apps or Applications, tap the three dots at the right upper corner, then tap Show System Processes or Apps on some phones. Then search for Android System Key Verifier. If you see it, Google added it automatically. Can you remove it on some phones? Yes. Just tap Uninstall. On others, it's locked as a system app. Removing it may require advanced methods like ADB. Here's the bottom line. This app may improve security, but installing it silently crosses a line. Privacy isn't just about protection, it's about choice. So what do you think? Is Google protecting users or slowly taking control of their devices? Let me know your thoughts.